This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you can do a lot of stuff with this application here. So you can do ads, social media edits, photo edits, you can print documents, you can create thumbnails, you can create YouTube videos with it, you can create logos. These are all the things that I can do with this application. Not to mention, you do get template with it as well. Template which you can use to create, let's say for example, Instagram Reels, pretty much anything that you can think of as it relates to social media and creating logos and so forth. So as you can see here, there's quite a lot of templates which you can use. Some of them you may see a crown icon. Those pretty much will tell you that you're gonna need a subscription to use those templates. So let's say for example I want to use one of these templates here. All I have to do is tap on the template that I want to use, and it will pretty much load up here. As you can see here, autosave option here. So anything that you edit on this will automatically be saved. As you can see here, this is the template when it's loaded. So as you can see here, down here, you can see all the editing features. Some of them you're gonna need a subscription to use some of these editing features. For example, you can see here brand with the crown icon there, and the text option you can add headers. You have different text that you can add as well. Some of them, as I said before, you're gonna need subscription to use them. You have the elements which you can add as well. You can also generate your own image that you'd like to add to the thing that you're editing, and as well you get different section as it relates to images and so forth. If you want a 3D image, you can find that as well, and also you can search if you can't bother with this scrolling. So just a lot of features which you can use on this application as it relates to editing and so forth. Up here you may see, tap on the three dots, you can see here I can edit the information as it relates to what I'm editing here. I can make a copy of it, and also I can delete or move it to the trash if I don't want to edit it anymore. Share it with my friends and so forth. Nothing much. So also you have analytics and so forth for the thing that you're editing. You can upload files and so forth to your cloud for this application. At the top here, you may see a crown icon. If you tap on it, you'll be able to get your subscription there. Some of the times you'll be given subscription or free trial offer. You may get a 14 days of free trial or even a 7 days free trial that they offer you. You can just tap on claim offer or claim free trial. And as you can see here, the free trial that I'll be getting, and also you can see other subscription and their prices. You have a monthly subscription here, and you have a yearly subscription. Not very expensive, I would say decent price. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And I'm just gonna go to the home section here. So once you finish editing, you can always tap on the save icon. So at the top down here where it says create, you can tap on that to pretty much create anything that you want, add anything. So I'm just gonna go on one of these. For example, I'm gonna go on the social media option here. This option allows you to create reels, and as well you do get templates which you can use. And at the top here, you may see popular options which you can use. You can create a Facebook cover, you can create an Instagram story, Instagram reel, TikTok video, you can create a YouTube thumbnail, pretty much all the popular stuff, and for all the popular social media websites you can create. So at the top here, you can also do other stuff as well. And if I swipe across, you can use other edits which I can use with this application here. Not just social media, you can use the website. There's any website edit here, as I can see. I have the documents edit as well, and the presentation edits as well. So as you can see, there are a lot of options we can use with this application here. And also this application does offer AI. We do tap on the more option here and tap on Canva AI. You'll be able to pretty much go into the AI section, which can create ideas as relates to creating your thumbnail, pretty much anything reading documents, scanning documents, and add a photo, analyze that as well, can generate videos, generate pictures, a lot of things as you can see here, create a aesthetic birthday video, a lot of things guys. So scroll down, you can see other things that this AI can do as well. All depends upon me and what I want with this application. So it's very easy to use, and if you want a subscription, get up on the pro option here. We'll just carry to the page where through the subscription may offer you a 7-day free trial or 14 days. Just upon the get trial here and claim offer, and you will see the subscription page here as well. So very easy application to use, and if I miss anything at all or something on the application I do not understand, please comment below. And one thing that I forgot to mention, anything that you have deleted will go in the trash section. And if you tap on the your design option, this is pretty much where you find all the things that you have created on this application. You can either tap on it to check on it again, or you can tap on these 3 dots over here to either download it or even add it as your favorite by tapping on the star icon there, or I can make a copy of it, and as well I can move it to the trash where I can completely remove it from my account. So do make sure you sign in with either your Google account or your Facebook, whatever the case is. But that's really pretty much it. Very simple application to use, and if I miss anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly love to help you out. And yeah, that's it.